Hi guys, this is Bhavna Agarwal and you're watching Bollywood Bubble. Guess what? We have got an exclusive inside view of the new Big Boss 15 house and I'm super excited because jungle theme hai is bar. We have seen the contestants fight like cats and dogs all the seasons. This time actually jungle theme बना दिया. Big Boss ने सोचा कि वैसे ही लड़ते रहते हैं तो इस बार तो मतलब जंगल थीम ही दे दिया है कि लड़ो. And it is going to be super amazing. So here I am giving you an exclusive view of how the house is going to look once the contestants are inside the house. So let's not waste time and get going. So this is how the house looks like. This is all beautifully done with all the greens and animals, artificial animals of course, but a lot of elements have been introduced. The house has been designed by Umang Kumar as always and he has done a fab job with it. So ये जो झाड़ हम देख रहे हैं, this is विश्व सुंदरी. ब्यूटिफुल दिख रहा है, उस जैसा नाम है वैसा ही ट्री है. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे दिस ट्री इज़ गोइंग टू गिव कंटेस्टेंट्स, जो 15 कंटेस्टेंट्स इस बार एंटर करने वाले हैं. सो दिस ट्री इज़ गोइंग टू गिव देम सम impossible tasks which they have to complete and I'm very excited to know कि क्या tasks होने वाले हैं because जो हमें glimpse मिल चुका है press conference से उससे लगता है कि काफ़ी interesting होगा. So next up, of course, I see a lot of trees actually. It's true to the theme of jungle. So there is a pond here. I don't think anyone would want to take a dip in this definitely. So हमें पिछले seasons के जैसे कुछ romantic moments यहाँ नहीं मिलने वाले हैं definitely. But it adds to the beauty I guess, and that is the eye, the Big Boss eye, which will keep an eye on everyone. जिसके वजह जो देखना हमें बहुत पसंद है. So I think this is all resting area for all the contestants wherein they might discuss strategies, they might discuss their plans. जहाँ झगड़ा होंगे, दोस्ती होगी और बहुत बारिश हो रही है अभी फ़िलहाल. बट ऑफ कोर्स वी आर गोना मूव ऑन. ये पूरा रेस्टिंग एरिया है फॉर ऑल द कंटेस्टेंट्स. सो दिस इज सम इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. आई डोंट नो, अभी तक बताया नहीं है हमें कि ये एग्जैक्टली क्या होगा. आई थिंक वंस द शो स्टार्ट्स इज व्हेन वी गेट टू नो व्हाट दिस इज. बट दिस इज लाइक सम डेन. इट इज़ सेफ लॉक है एकदम. तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस गोइंग टू बी, बट आई एम अज्यूमिंग कुछ टास्क रिलेटेड होगा. It looks like a den, so I'm assuming if someone fails their task, maybe then they'll have to enter this. But यहीं पे तो सारी gossips होती हैं. रात में जो gossips होती है वो यहीं तो होती है. So this is that area. This is the place where all the contestants can gossip and have fun time with each other, clearly. Okay, now we are going to enter the main dining area where the contestants will be resting. So basically for the initial few weeks the contestants will only be allowed in the jungle area, and only if they pass this the tasks and they win hearts of the people around is when they will enter the main house. So that is an interesting twist this season. This is the dining area. It looks like they have kept it too simple. It's not luxurious definitely, but it is unique. It is challenging for the contestants who will be entering. This is the bed area, of course. It is, I don't know how the contestants will sleep on this, but definitely this is where they get to sleep. I think this is the most interesting place if you ask me. It is the kitchen. It looks really nice. If you can just see, the theme of course is there's a lot of plants and the green theme with wood and everything. It looks beautiful. This is the place I feel that most of the contestants यहीं पे रहने वाले हैं, at least in the beginning. And then I don't know what this door is for, but definitely कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. This is the best part of the house. At least for me, I believe that washrooms define. Oh my god, okay. सुपर अमेजिंग यार. अगर ऐसा वॉशरूम हो तो इंसान बेडरूम में क्यों रहेगा, वॉशरूम में ही पड़ा रहेगा. So once the contestants complete their task and win hearts of the people, they will get to enter this luxurious house. This is how the house looks this season. I love how the detailing has been done on the dining table here, and this is how extravagant the house for Big Boss 15 looks like. Okay, so let's take a small glimpse of what it says there. Come fly with me is what the message is this season. पिछली बार पर्पल कलर था इसका, इस बार इन्होंने काफ़ी झकाट मरून कलर रखा है. It looks really nice. This is how they have changed the entire interiors. I personally like the touch. This season they have actually amalgamated the theme of jungle, because you can see there's owl, there's so many, there's cage, there's birds. So you know, there's a lot of elements when it comes to the theme that is jungle, which has been amalgamated. But there's also a lot of comic structures which have been used, especially in the kitchen area. So this is how Big Boss किचन लुक्स लाइक. यहीं पे सारी लड़ाइयाँ होंगी, यहीं पे सारी लड़ाइयाँ, रोटियों के लिए झगड़े. आई डोंट नो दिस सीज़न क्या होगा, बट हर सीज़न में रोटी के लिए झगड़े ज़रूर होते हैं, तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग दिस सीज़न में भी होगा. तो अब बचता है बेडरूम, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली कंटेस्टेंट्स को सोना भी है रात में. दे वांट टू रेस्ट इट आउट, सो वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द बेडरूम एरिया नाउ. So this is the bedroom area. The theme, I guess, this time is yellow, क्योंकि मेरे को सिर्फ yellow bed sheets दिख रही है. But again, like every season, there are only 1, 2, 3 single beds. So ये 3 कौन तन्हा लोग होने वाले हैं वो देखना पड़ेगा this season. But otherwise, there are double beds for all the contestants. 15 contestants are entering this side. Again, यहाँ पे काफ़ी resting area है. यहीं पे सारे झगड़े, एक्चुअली बिग बॉस के हर कोने में झगड़े होते हैं, बट ये किचन, ये कुछ एरियाज़ हैं जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा झगड़े होते हैं. सो दैट विल बी अमेजिंग टू सी यहाँ पे गॉसिप कौन किसकी क्या बुराइयाँ करने वाला है. द कैमराज आर गोना कैप्चर एवरीथिंग. द इंटीरियर ऑफ कोर्स लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. यार, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ मिरर वर्क which has been used. In fact, the theme, the coloring, Umang Kumar has outdone himself yet again when it comes to the house, the interiors. So this is how Big Boss 15's house look like, and I'm very excited because it is vibrant. It is a mix of jungle theme, plus a lot of vibrant colors have been used. So I guess this season is going to be interesting and unique in its own way. Big Boss 15 premieres from October 2nd. So keep watching Bollywood Bubble, because we will bring you all the exclusive news from the season right here.